Yo, people, no, I'm telling you something. Birmingham, I just a come from. I just a come from blood clot Birmingham through Munchie. Munchie make me have to go where Birmingham. You understand me? Because me can't get no Lasco in a blood clot London. Me go north, me go west, me go south. A Birmingham, the last part in a London, me go. Come like me have to go all the Wales. You understand me? The people them take out all of the Lasco them out of the store them and say them have to do a counter check on them. You understand me? Yo, what the people them are gonna do have to feed them pitney upon the Lasco. You understand me? Because there are children over there that rely on their Lasco, and because of you with your criminal activity, you understand me? And you fuck with no Lasco no there blood clot England no more. Them not send no more through the blood clot airport. You understand me? Yo, you need to go talk to these people, you know, because this not right, you know, because you can't just come with your criminal activity and make them blood clot ban Lasco. And you know, say poor people survival food. Anyway, love you now, no girl, bye bye. Bye bye.